Bonjour, je m'appelle Dr. Tin et bienvenue à French 2311. Chapitre 5, leçon 3. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier les verbes en RE, le verbe faire et les expressions avec le verbe faire. Hello, my name is Dr. Tin, and today we are going to study RE verbs, and the verb faire, which means to make or to do, and the expressions that are used with the verb faire in French. It is chapter 5, lesson 3. Page 136, 137. 136, 137, le verbe en RE. Les verbes en RE. Et le verbe faire, page 134 et page 135. Faire. Et les expressions avec faire. Ok. Nous allons commencer avec les verbes en RE. We will begin with RE verbs, and we are going to use the verb vendre to do our conjugation, to teach you how to conjugate RE verbs. We are going to use the verb vendre, which means to sell, S-E-L-L. Okay? Now, entendre, répétez, entendre, descendre, attendre, perdre, rendre, répandre, vendre, to sell, répondre, to respond or to answer, rendre, to render. There is an expression, rendre visite à, which means to pay a visit to a person. Okay, rendre visite à. Okay, perdre, to lose a person or to lose something. Okay, attendre, to wait for or to await. Descendre, to descend or to go down. Okay. Entendre, to listen. Now you realize that all these verbs have RE at the end, RE. To do those verbs in the present tense, right, to conjugate those verbs with their pronouns, okay, you have to drop the RE at the end of those verbs. So, you will drop the RE here, vendre, right, and you are left with vont. Okay. With je, the pronoun je, you add S. With tu, you add S. Il, elle, on. You do nothing. Don't do anything here. Nous, you add ONS. Nous vendons. Alright? Vous, you add EZ. EZ, vous vendez. Il, elle, you add ENT, which is silent. ENT at the end of a verb is not pronounced. In whatever situation, whatever the verb is, ENT will be silent. Okay, so il, elle, vendent, vous vendez, nous vendons, il, elle en vend, tu vends, je vends. Okay, you do the same thing with the rest of the verb. SS nothing, ONS, easy, which is pronounced A, and then ENT, which is silent. Now, if you're doing the verb entendre, it will be je, right? Entend, right? With your S, but voyelle, voyelle. You drop the first vowel and then you put your apostrophe there. Okay, so it will be j'entends, j'entends. You do the same thing with the verb attendre. It will be j'attends, j'attends. You drop the E right before the A. Right? And then j'attends, j'attends, j'attends. I'm listening, I'm waiting. Right? I listen, I await. Okay? Ça va? Okay. Now let's do the verb faire. The verb faire is an irregular verb. You see that it has RE, just like the verb être, right? And just like these verbs. But être, which we learned in our previous lessons, right, is an irregular verb, just like the verb faire, faire. So, you will do faire just like être. That means you have to learn faire differently from the regular ER verbs and then regular RE verb here. RE, right? But faire is an irregular verb. C'est un verbe irrégulier. C'est un verbe irrégulier. It is an irregular verb, so it should be steady just like it should be steadied, just like être on its own terms. You see that? You have the SS, but here you have your T, right? And there is an S-O-N-S, and there's a T, and here you have O-N-T, right? Instead of E-N-T, right? And then you don't even see the A and the I here. So it's irregular. It does not follow the rules here. All right. So je fais, I make or I do. Tu fais, il, elle en fait. Avec T, nous faisons. Nous faisons. Vous faites. Vous faites. See how this is pronounced? Vous faites. Ils, elles font. Okay? Ça va? So faire should be learned on its own terms. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle, on fait, nous faisons, vous faites. Alright? Vous faites. Il, elle, font. Okay? Now let's do the expressions that will come with faire. Faire. See, il fait, let's begin with il fait, il fait, il fait. Okay, il fait does not refer to he does when it is used to express how the weather looks like. It is impersonal. It does not refer to he, she, who, right? It does not refer to the third person, the first person. It does not refer to the third person singular il. It is impersonal. It just refers to the weather, how the weather looks like. It is it is cold, it is hot, it is sunny. When you're doing that, you use the expression il fait, il fait, il fait, il fait. When you want to say il fait chaud, you just want to say it is hot. Remember, chaud has been used with the verb avoir when we were dealing with how you, the person, is feeling hot, right? J'ai chaud. Here, il fait chaud. Il fait chaud means it is hot. The weather is hot. Il fait chaud. When it's cold, it's il fait froid. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. Okay, when it is sunny outside, it's il fait soleil or il fait du soleil. Il fait du soleil, or you can leave out the du and say il fait soleil. Now let's do the other expressions with faire. In these expressions, right, you will do the faire part. You conjugate it with je, tu, il, elle, on, just like here. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle, on fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. You do the faire part here, the faire part here, and the rest of the expressions will stay like that. So, faire du sport, to do sport, right? To do some sport. You do the faire part. For instance, if you say, I'm doing some sport, you will say, I'm doing some sports. You will say, je fais du sport. It will stay like that. Du sport will stay like that, right? And then you do the present tense with faire, je fais, right? The same thing with faire le ménage. Faire le ménage means to do the work, the work at home, to do the housework, to do housework. Say you are cleaning the house, right? The house, you will say, je fais le ménage. Tu fais le ménage. Il, elle, on fait le ménage. Okay. Faire le promenade means to take a walk. To take a walk. So if you're taking a walk, walking around, you will say, je fais une promenade. Nous faisons une promenade. You and your buddies, you and your friends are taking a walk around the campus. You will say, nous faisons une promenade. We stay like that. Faire la queue means to stand in line, right? A lot of people shopping, and then there is a line. You stand in line, right? Faire la queue, which is queue in English, right? Faire la queue. So, ils font la queue. Faire un tour en voiture is take a ride in a car, right? To take a ride. So, je fais un tour. If it's a car you're taking a ride in, it's en voiture. It can be a bike, right? So that way, it will be a little bit different, you see. Un tour à bicyclette, right? We'll learn about the other means of transportation later on, okay? So, faire un tour en voiture, to take a ride in a car. Faire la vaisselle means to do the dishes, all right, after cooking. All right, so faire la vaisselle. Faire la vaisselle. Now, faire la vaisselle, before doing that, right, you can faire la cuisine. All right, literally, to do the cooking, to cook. All right, faire la cuisine, to cook. All right, je fais la cuisine, to cook. You do the faire part. La cuisine will remain like that. So, je fais la cuisine. I cook. I do the cooking. All right. Et puis, je fais la vaisselle. And then I do the dishes. Okay? Faire la vaisselle, to do the dishes. Faire la cuisine, to do the cooking. Faire un voyage, to take a trip. To take a trip. There too, you do the faire part, and this will remain the same. Faire attention à, to pay attention to be careful with, right? So if you want to say, I am paying attention to the woman, you will say, je fais attention à la femme. Okay? Faire la connaissance de is to meet somebody for the first time, to make the acquaintance of. So, je fais la connaissance de la femme. I'm making the acquaintance of the woman. I'm meeting the woman for the first time. Ça va? OK. Faire les courses. Faire les courses. Faire les courses means to run errands. To run errands. Okay? So, je fais les courses. Je fais les courses. Nous faisons les courses. Okay. Faire, c'est devoir, to do one's homework. You know, schoolwork. You do at home. Okay. So, faire, c'est devoir. But when you use the possessive c'est, means his or her, right? To do one's homework. If it is you, that you are doing the homework, you say, je fais, and then you change the possessive to mes. Je fais mes devoirs. Tu fais tes devoirs. Il fait ses devoirs. Elle fait ses devoirs. Mais nous faisons nos, N-O-S, right? The plural, nos devoirs. Okay. Faire la lessive. Faire la lessive means to do the laundry, right? So, ils font la lessive. Ils font la lessive. Faire le marché. To go shopping. Le marché means market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Right? Okay. So, faire le marché, to go shopping. To do shopping. Now, there's another expression. Faire du shopping. Faire du shopping. Alright? And there is this expression. Faire le marché, to go shopping. Ça va? Ça va bien? Okay, so you drop your R-E, add S-S, nothing, O-N-S, E-Z, which is pronounced A, and E-N-T, which is silent. Alright, to express how the weather looks like, you use the expression il fait, right? Followed by chaud, or froid, or soleil. And the verb faire itself is irregular, so you should learn it on its own terms. The expressions with faire, right? You do the faire part, conjugate the faire part in the present tense, the rest of the expressions will stay the same. Ça va? Ça va bien? Au revoir et à la prochaine. Au revoir et à bientôt.